Hey peeps! So in today's video we're going to make some anti-heron devices. Without further ado, let's get into it. First I need to get up to the attic. I'll take you guys with me.
Hey guys, my name is Cedric and welcome to my channel Vertigo 117.
So I found mine on the attic, and you can either find them in a sale. It's the perfect time to buy them. After Christmas and all, after winter, they usually sell all those balls very cheap, and that's what I do as well. When winter is over, I just buy a new set for the upcoming year because there's always some breakdown. Okay, so what we will need for this build is hot glue gun, some just sticks, and we can also use chopsticks from China to eat. Chinese sticks, I don't know how you call them, and our Christmas balls. Now these are plastic ones. I prefer plastic over glass ones because we have a cat in the house, and if I ever knock them up over, they won't break into the pond. By the way, I wish you guys a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Okay, so you take a stick, just put like a little dab on the top, and then push it in straight as possible, and just add a bit of glue around the outside. There you go, first one done, and I'll make a few of these and I'll show you the end result. Okay, so all 6 of them are done. Now you can go as many as you want, but the bigger the better, because you have more reflection coming from the biggest one compared to the smaller ones. So yeah, you can even see my daughter waving. So I'll plant some of them, and hopefully when the heron passes by, he will be spooked by his own reflection. At least that's the goal. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll just show you what it looks like, and I will see you in one of my other videos. Take care guys. You can see I added some there, some over here as well, right here, and then it does the same effect as the bigger balls we have here, and there's the sphere as well, and these just float on top of the water. But they aren't cheap, so that's why I went for a cheaper option, and you can go for as much as you want until your heart is content.